Okay, you'll have 12 pages in your package that are the Snowflake template. And what you want to do is cut around the outside of this square. So you end up with that. And once you have the square, you fold it in half, so it's a triangle. And then you fold it again, so it's a smaller triangle. And then you take these sides and fold each side back. So you're left with the part that has the design on it. And then you cut out all the areas that are gray. Now you're going through several layers of paper, so you'll need some strong scissors to do this. And you're left with this, and then when you unfold it, you have your snowflake. And the last page, the 12th page, is a blank template. So in this area here, you draw your own design and make your own snowflake. Once you're done, we'd love to see pictures of all the snowflakes that you made.